everyone. Today I will share with you how to get into the factory mode. Please remember that this step can only be shared with your distributors with technicians. Since when you get into the factory mode, many factory setting parameters can be changed. To avoid mistakes, you have to use it under the support of your technicians. Okay? Now we can see from the machine. Enter into the BSC mode. Please remember. Now, you cannot find the P00.17, right? So now let's get into the factory mode. 00.16 is 823 is our factory password. Enter it. Okay, now see, this is the parameter we cannot see just now, right? Thank you.